Good day, futures traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, October 7th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today, everything was kind of bouncing around. We were waiting for the Fed speakers. The market was digesting the payroll numbers or the employment numbers, and we started out a little bit bouncy. We had a couple break-even trades, and then what we were waiting to happen, eventually did happen. Let me run you through real quick from left to right because we had a bunch here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had like 7 trades. We took a gold trade right at the open for those who wanted to take it. Not everybody trades at the open, but for those who wanted to take it, we took that trade 1265.8. We added 1263.8. We were easily able to get out here. You'll see it bounced around. We added, it came back up. That was a break even. Then our big trade, probably the trade of the day, was later in the afternoon or in the morning. 10:06 Central Standard Time, 1256.5, and this red candle here, you'll see we took barely any heat, and once the thing started going, it just got going there, and we got out right around 10:30 here. I told everybody that was a good spot there around 45, and it was just a beautiful trade. In the crude, we had another situation here, same thing. We were waiting for everything to get going before the Fed speaker started speaking. We got short on crude. Again, we added. Again, we were able to easily get out. Short, added right up here, came back down. We were really easily able to get out of the trade there. And then we hit it short again. The trade we were waiting, the same trade we hit here, we were waiting for it to go, and it didn't go. We hit it again there, 50.11. And I actually got everybody out down here at 49.90 because I'm sorry, 49.70 when the room closed. We have what when the room is just closing. I told everybody I don't see any indication it's not going to keep going, but the room was closing, so we had to be flat. So it actually went 70, 80, 90, 110. It went 41 ticks before the room closed, but we do still have some people still in it looking for further targets, but 41 ticks before the room closed. Gold trade was the trade of the day. Then in the ES, we took a power play short at 52. That one made up to 5 points. That was at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Made up to 5 points. Some of the people, when the Fed news came out, when the speaker started speaking, I told everybody there'd be volatility here, but I told everybody, you have to be, you got to be up several $1,000s on the week and go with one contract if you want to take that. It's kind of nutty. So most people were not in that trade. Some people who did get in it. We added and we were able to get out down here. Some people took a couple tick loss there, but again, 95% of the room wasn't in the trade, and even then it would have been a small loss. And we hit it again. We didn't hit it again. This was the trade we were looking for, but it didn't follow through because that was right when the speaker started talking. So hit it again here at 10:03, 47.50, added up at 9.50, got out of the trade, said if it comes down there, we got to try it again, hit it again, 7.50, 7.25, and never looked back. Got out of the trade right here where my circle was, told everybody get out of the trade, completely get out of the trade, and most people, the thing went 9 points. Most people were out of the trade anyway, but those who had one left or whatever would have been able to get out there. Or if you're still in, you see this is live in the market right now, so anywhere in here. Just a great day. Started out slow, but it ended strong. So we're going to come back tomorrow, or I'm sorry, on Monday, and do it all over again. I want everybody to have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.